Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, The Tradist. In today's video we're going to discuss how to get a free Forex account for absolute freaking free, so let's get started. In the very first method we have competitions, so every month few prop firms conduct competition and whoever gets into top 3 will get 100k account plus some cash prizes. Not only that, even if you reach a top 100 you will still get 10k worth accounts. All you need to have is the skill set of trading. There are firms like Funded Next, the Funded Trader, etc. who provide this facility, but today I'm going to show for the Funded Trader. The first step is to get into the website of the Funded Trader, and then click on Trade Hub, which will take you to the login page. If you have an account, then log in if you don't create one. Put your details into it and sign in. After login, this is what it would look like. Then click into competition. Then go to upcoming. Now there is still 7 days left for registration. After clicking register, you will directly get a mail into your registered Gmail. This is how the stats would look like. Now let's see what prices can we get over here. The first place gets 300k account plus 5k cash. Second 300k plus 3k. And third 100k plus 2k. Not only that, even if reached till top 25 gets 100k account, and even if you make it in top 100 you will get 10k worth accounts. These are rules written below. Do give it a read by pausing the video. This was all about the first method. Now let's get into the second one. In the second method we can literally play games and win accounts. You could play games like chess, Call of Duty, poker, etc. and gain accounts. In the very first step you need to come to the home page of the firm's website. And then click on the Discord link, then join it and get into the tournament section. As you can see, chess tournaments have been played recently, and you can even see the rewards and prices in the screen. You can see recent Call of Duty winner 2 who won the accounts. They organize events every week and you can easily join and try your luck into it. That's all for today guys. Do like and smash the subscribe button for more videos like these. If you want to know does moon affect our trading markets, then do click the video above.